Welcome to FINQY, the smartest way to build and manage your side income. Let's walk you through the FINQY app. Getting started is a seamless three-step process. Enter your basic details, including your PAN and contact information. Complete your KYC by adding your Aadhaar number and bank details for secure payouts. Finally, upload your identity and professional documents to verify your profile and activate your account. Once you're in, the dashboard serves as your command center. Use our smart tools to instantly test eligibility for loans, credit cards, or insurance policies for your clients. Closing a deal is easier than ever. Select the financial product, input your customer's details, and upload the required documents like bank statements or salary slips directly through the app. For even faster processing, use the Quick Lead feature. Simply upload the essential identity, complete the document upload to get the process moving instantly. It's the fastest way to get your clients in the system. Stay organized with real-time tracking. Monitor the status of every lead across all categories. You can also stay informed on the latest industry regulations through our news section. We value your hard work. With InstaPay, receive your commissions in as little as 24 to 36 hours. You can review your detailed payout structure for all financial products at any time. Secure, seamless, and stress-free. Download FINQY today and take control of your financial journey.